Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a keychain by using leaf rubbing art. For that, we have to use computer papers, color pencils, and a black crayon. Few leaves. You have to take leaves from garden. It may be dry or fresh. You have to take punch hole machine, any leftover piece from the keychain. Now let's start our artwork. For that, we have to take leaf. First of all, we have to check the texture of the leaf. You have to check the texture from upper side, it is smooth, and from the lower side, it's rough. We are using upper side, the smooth side. Now, put the smooth side inside the paper and then start rubbing with the help of crayon. We are using crayon because when we are going to use pencil colors for shading, it couldn't mix. Okay? Look. So beautiful, mashallah. Now I'm using another leaf. Now the small leaf I put inside. Now I am taking 4 types of leaf. It's up to you how much texture, how much types of leaves you want. Okay, now it's time to shade. I am using different color pencils. First I am using dark green. For making color smooth, I put more computer paper inside to make coloring smooth. Okay, now let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mix the color. Whenever you have to color, make sure you have to mix the color evenly. I am using many shades in the leaves. Now I'm taking dark green. See, all the colors are mixed. I complete my coloring. It's time to cut. Cut the outline. Be careful while you are cutting. Okay? Now cut it neatly and nicely. One more thing I'm describing here. If you are a kid and doing that artwork, you can take help from your mama, baba, or from any other adult at your home. Okay? Look. Next step is, after cutting, you have to take a punch hole machine and put it like this and make a punch hole. Okay. For make it more durable, you can laminate your leaves like this that I have already laminated. Then after that, you have to make a punch hole with a hole with a punch hole machine. Now after lamination, you can arrange all your leaves in a desired position and then use keychain holder, open it. Now your keychain is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below how was the video, and for more videos subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us. Jazakallahu khairan kasira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.